In this video tutorial, we are going to show you how to convert Microsoft Word into a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Here I have a Microsoft Word document and here is some definition: electrical grid, voltmeter, ammeter, electricity meter. I will convert it into a PowerPoint presentation. Here you will see a PowerPoint presentation. Here is the same definition. So what I have to do? So let's begin the topic. Here is the title, that is the electrical grid. Let me select this and let me select the heading 1. And here is the definition. Let me select the definition and select the heading 2. Again, let me go to select the voltmeter, select heading 1 and select this area and select heading 2. Here let me select the ammeter, heading 1, and let me select the definition, heading 2. Here let me select the title and select heading 1 and select the definition, heading 2. And let me select this, go to bullet, select this bullet. Now let me go to file, go to option, go to quick access toolbar, or you can go from here. Here let me select on more command. Here go to all command. Here you will see send to Microsoft PowerPoint. Click on add, click on OK. Now you will see a icon send to Microsoft PowerPoint. Let me click on this. Here you will see my presentation. Here is the electrical grid and here is the definition. You will see here is the voltmeter and here is the definition. Click on enable editing, go to design, select the style. Let me select on this style and select it, and you may place it here, and you may change the font and the font color from here, or font and font color, or you can easily use it as a default slide. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.